Advanced Vocabulary Mastery. Unleashing Power of Synonyms and Antonyms in Reading Comprehension. Hello, language learners. Today, we're delving into a critical aspect of advanced English learning, focusing on how the knowledge of synonyms and antonyms can significantly enhance your reading comprehension skills. Let's unlock the potential of understanding words, their relationships, and how they contribute to the overall meaning of the text. Firstly, we need to understand why synonyms and antonyms matter. Synonyms are different words with similar meanings, like happy and joyful, while antonyms are words with opposite meanings, like hot and cold. Knowing a variety of synonyms allows you to grasp subtle nuances in the text. Recognizing antonyms, on the other hand, can help you understand contrasts and conflicts within the narrative. Together, they enrich your vocabulary and boost your ability to comprehend complex texts. Next, let's see how synonyms can enhance comprehension. When reading, you might encounter unfamiliar words. If you can identify nearby synonyms, they can provide context clues to understand the unfamiliar term. For example, in the sentence, "The forest was lush, teeming with verdant vegetation." If you don't know verdant, recognizing lush as a synonym can help you deduce that verdant refers to something green or rich in vegetation. Antonyms play an equally crucial role. They often help us identify contrasts or conflicts in the text. For instance, in the sentence, "Despite the arid climate, the oasis was verdant," the antonyms arid and verdant highlight the stark contrast between the general climate and the oasis, enhancing understanding. As you progress to more complex texts, you'll encounter sophisticated vocabulary. Here, your knowledge of synonyms and antonyms becomes especially valuable. By spotting synonyms, you can infer the meaning of new words. By noticing antonyms, you can understand contrasts and shifts in the narrative. It's like having a built-in dictionary and thesaurus at your disposal. To help build your synonyms and antonyms knowledge, try these strategies. 1. Read widely and diversely. Different genres and authors use different vocabularies. 2. Use a thesaurus. Look up synonyms and antonyms for new words you encounter. 3. Engage in wordplay games. Crosswords, word search puzzles, and apps can make learning fun. Remember, comprehension isn't just about understanding individual words but seeing how they weave together to create broader meanings. Synonyms and antonyms are powerful tools in this process. Hopefully, this video has given you insights on how to employ them for enhancing your reading comprehension skills. Happy learning, and until next time, keep exploring the world of words.